Hey guys, welcome back to our weekly update. Yeah, we got a few things to update you on for this week. So we painted the whole shop. This is our office room slash inventory room. So this is all painted and good to go. And this is the color we chose to go with. It's very earthy, so that's kind of the decision behind going with this color. And then this is our fly tying room, and we're gonna have rods in here and flies as well. So this one has also been finished. And this part right here is the one that we've been excited the most about. So we got these awesome panels from the builder store, and they are bringing these panels in from Switzerland. So I was kind of lucky enough to know the owner, and he hooked me up with some of these. And so yeah, now we're gonna use these panels to cut the slot walls, and we're gonna mount them on the walls, obviously. So that's kind of I think we've all been the most excited about this part. But yeah, the painting's all done, and this is our phase 2 now, which is dealing with these slot walls. And so like they're pretty big, they're 7 by 9 feet, and they're gonna cover most of the wall, the big walls here pretty easy. But then I have to start cutting it once I start slapping it on these walls here, and the one behind you there as well. Yeah, that's kind of that, and yeah, we'll keep you guys posted once this is ready and you can see the finished product. Stay tuned.